Hey, hello, once again, it's Andrew here. My lead gen secret, is it worth it? That's kind of the question here that I'm going to try and answer and hopefully help those that may be on the fence, whether they want to get involved in it. Currently, right now, over the last, I'm just going to kind of update my experience over the last couple of years. I've been working with it and doing different things, testing, tweaking things. And I have found that in the average, when I'm not really posting a lot, if you look at my history on YouTube, I used to do some posting and then I kind of stop but the whole time I've been emailing and working with the strategy kind of behind the scenes, right? And recently I just kind of, we're turning over to 2025 and I'm like, that's it. I just want to post more. I want to post with something that I can talk about that I know that works and be honest and authentic instead of some of the other programs out there. I think that I've been involved in, I know they work. It's not working for me right now. So why do I want to talk about it? Right. So I want to kind of give it some time and work with that. In the meantime, I'm on a challenge here to post more about the My Lead Gen secret because I think it can help for those of you, if it's $200-300 a month, that's not a lot of money, Andrew, I know. But could it maybe pay one of your bills monthly? Could it maybe put gas in your car for the month? Could it maybe help you invest for the future? And that's what I've been doing. But I was like, this is actually coming in pretty handy because I'm able to pay some bills, buy a little some investments, and start planning for the future. And then I found out a couple of like hacks, if you will, that I'm testing that I think moving forward you're going to see an increase. And that's at least the challenge that I'm up to right now, making these videos that I'll be making. Plus I'm going to do more training on the platform, My Lead Gen Secret itself, and how to use it. So anyway, right now we're looking at my Clickbank, and we can see that right now I've got a $94 week, and I've still got about 3 days left in this Clickbank cycle of payment. So right around December 26th down here is when I started implementing some increase in posting and repurposing the emails that I have. Now, for those that are new, if you're in My Lead Gen Secret, you might not know that you have saved emails. So every email that you send out, it saves it. The system, the platform saves it for you. So I have accumulated quite a few emails. And then what a lot of us do is we just repeat once we go through our list. Some people just use 10, 11 emails and they'll just keep rinse and repeat. And quite often it kind of becomes repetitive after a while, especially when in the beginning, we used to pull the email swipes from the vendor, which a lot of these are that. But when a lot of people are sending out the same email, the algorithms pick up on that and it starts to look spammy. So it's wise to change it up. So what I've been doing is using ChatGPT to do my titles. If you've seen any of my other videos, I believe I've shared the command and stuff that I do that with. So I'll just show you real quick. Okay, so this is the command I put into ChatGPT. Can you rewrite this title 5 different ways and more provocative, kind of crazy, witty, and yet still maintain the truth or being authentic? Of course, obviously, you can change this up however you want. Maybe this will kind of get your creative writing, brain thinking, and moving in some sort of direction. Sometimes I'll might change the words up, make it more humorous, kind of crazy. What I'm trying to do with the title, you see, is get people's attention, stop the scroll kind of method, and see if I can say something that's going to kind of be a little bit outlandish, but yet be authentic. And as I've said in other videos, kind of my 2 top things to help increase my sales if you're been working with My Lead Gen Secret and you're looking to increase your sales, I think if I'm a lot more consistent with it, I've seen it happen in the past where if I post more about it, I post videos like this, doing a case study, videos on the Facebook, in the Facebook group, build an audience, learn digital marketing, start posting, whether it be videos or posting in some sort of group about My Lead Gen Secret, and give value that can help other people using the system. I've seen an increase in sales. And I don't know if that's, some people might think that's shady. I think it's more of an algorithm thing, that as we're putting stuff out there, the system probably has an algorithm, and possibly, this is just a theory, that it picks up on you because it knows who we are, and picks up on you and the links that you put out and the information you put out. And if you're putting out more, then it possibly sends fresher leads. I found out that you can request My Lead Gen Secret to give you fresh leads, even though they'll probably come back and say, hey, most of our leads are fresh, and that. But I have noticed that does seem to help a little bit. Just kind of make them aware that, your sales have dipped and you're looking for fresh leads. That might help. Also, mindset. Mindset is a key. And with those 3 total, I believe this is what's causing the increase in my sales. Obviously, that is yet to be seen completely, but so far right now, I'm happy with the results that I'm getting. And if I can increase this up to 100 or above 100 a week, that's going to be a significant increase monthly, which would definitely help out a lot. And plus, just the other things, building an audience, and I've started some TikToks and so on and so on. So we will see how this works out. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. One more thing I wanted to show you in our Facebook, just to kind of show you the diversity here with this system. This is Ed. He's in our Facebook group. He had posted a little while ago. Though he hasn't come back and commented or answered any questions, he has made a claim here. He has made 30,000 on the My Lead Gen Secret, and that's just the My Lead Gen Secret alone, just referring that out. I'm doing Clickbank, plus I'm referring My Lead Gen Secret. And so this is pretty awesome. I've also seen a few other people that I know, they're marketing, and I know they're promoting My Lead Gen Secret to their audience and their clientele. They're affiliate marketers that have been affiliate marketers for a while, and they've earned thousands and thousands of dollars and reoccurring income going on forward. So it is a system that there's a lot you can do. You can promote the product itself. You can promote Clickbank. And so just to be aware of that, that there's things you can do with it moving forward, and that is one of the reasons that I like it so much. All right, that's it for now. Like and subscribe if you want more. And again, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Have a great day. Talk to you again soon.